How to replace Toyota Corolla license plate light bulb full guide. Most people get this wrong, but replacing a Toyota Corolla license plate light bulb is quick and simple. You won't believe how little time it takes to restore proper illumination. First, turn off your vehicle and open the trunk or rear hatch. Locate the license plate light housing on either side of the plate. Most Corollas have a small plastic cover over the bulb. Next, remove the cover by gently prying it with a flathead screwdriver or by twisting it, depending on your model. Carefully remove the old bulb by pulling it straight out. If it's stubborn, wiggle slightly to avoid breaking the socket. Insert the new bulb, making sure it's seated correctly and that you use the correct wattage or LED replacement. Test the light by turning on your headlights or parking lights. Finally, replace the cover and ensure it clicks securely into place. Repeat the same steps for the other side if necessary. Properly functioning license plate lights are essential for safety and legal compliance. In conclusion, replacing a Toyota Corolla license plate bulb involves removing the cover, sopping the bulb, testing the light, and securing the cover. These steps, your license plate will be clearly visible again.